Harvey Specter isn't perfect. He can be blunt, emotionally shut off, and even arrogant. But despite being fictional, his character in Suits teaches powerful real-life lessons about confidence and control. In this video, we'll break down how Harvey projects confidence and power through specific techniques and mindsets you can apply in your own life. And a lot of it comes down to a single concept: frame. What's a frame? A frame is the unspoken context that sets the rules of any interaction. Whoever sets the frame usually has the power. Think about it at a job interview. You gladly answer, "Tell me about yourself." But if someone says that at a party, it feels weird. Why? Because the interviewer's frame has authority. Harvey always sets the frame, and his body language and tone reinforce that. 1. He moves on his terms. Harvey walks into rooms bold and confident, often taking people by surprise. He speaks with certainty and emotion, setting the tone that others follow. But when someone tells him to hurry, he slows down. That subtle act says, "I'm not reacting to your urgency. I move when I decide." Whether someone confronts him or gets emotional, Harvey stays calm and collected, projecting strength simply by not reacting. 2. He ends conversations, not requests permission. Harvey often exits interactions without announcing it. He doesn't ask if it's okay to leave. He just does. That signals high status. We're done. Don't let the door hit you on the way out. This shows control, not something to copy exactly, but it reinforces his presence. 3. He speaks with certainty. Confident people speak with downward inflection. Instead of saying, "Come over at 7, Harvey would say, "Come over at 7. That subtle drop at the end of a sentence makes it a statement, not a question. That's how you speak with authority, like when he calmly tells Lewis, "Everyone give me and Faye a minute." 4. He responds to insults by flipping the frame when insulted. Harvey doesn't defend himself. He flips the frame with quick witty. "Is that anger or a new column? Surprised you don't recognize your wife's perfume? I know you're not married." Still funny. Even when someone teases him successfully, Harvey laughs it off. That's real confidence, not needing to win every exchange. 5. He doesn't try to impress clients. Harvey never supplicates to clients. His mindset is, "They're lucky to work with me." So when a client yells or throws a tantrum, he calmly reminds them who's in control. "Next time you stomp around like a 4-year-old, I'll be the one getting rid of you." When you treat people like equals, or better yet, like they're being screened by you, you flip the power dynamic. 6. He controls the options. Harvey often gives opponents limited choices that still lead to the outcome he wants. Take the 500 or play poker for it. He's not controlling the whole situation, but by limiting their choices, he's controlling the menu. And the person who controls the menu controls the outcome. 7. He creates his own options. Harvey's true power. He always has options. That's the mindset. What if someone puts a gun to your head? Wrong, you take the gun, or pull out a bigger one, or call their bluff. Whether it's clients, jobs, or relationships, Harvey knows has never stuck. That gives him unmatched confidence, because power comes from knowing you don't need any one outcome. Final takeaway: if you want to project confidence like Harvey, don't fake dominance. Instead, learn to control the frame, speak and move with certainty, and build a life where you always have options. That's real power, and it's something you can build step by step. If you're already working on your career, relationships, or social skills, you are on the right path, because charisma is a skill, and once you master it, everything gets easier.